In the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, we come across a very important concept when it comes to money and personal finance. Well, imagine if a survey were conducted asking people if they'd want $1 million in their bank account today. Without a doubt, most would say yes, of course. However, what the author says really makes sense. People claim to want to be millionaires simply because they want to spend $1 million, imagining all the things they could do with that money, not necessarily because they want to manage $1 million. After all, spending $1 million is literally the opposite of having $1 million. This might sound a little confusing at first, but as we move forward in this video, you'll understand this key idea the author wanted to convey about financial education. Let's take it slow. Welcome to the channel, and if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're still watching this video, it's because you're interested in managing your money better. But let's start from the basics, step by step, which I call the phases of personal finance. Phase 1. Earning and using money the right way. The first phase of personal finance is understanding how to earn and use money correctly. Before we can use our money, we need to first earn it, right? So if today you don't have any sources of income or only have one, it's crucial to expand that and start earning money from multiple sources. It's important to have several streams of income, avoiding relying on just one, like a single leg of a table. If you lose your only source of income, your financial situation becomes unstable. But if you have multiple streams, even if one falls, you still have others to rely on. But how do you do this? In the beginning, with no money to invest or no project to build, there aren't many options. You need to exchange time for money, meaning you work for someone and get paid for the services you provide or work as a freelancer, earning for each job completed. Basically, you need to work to make money. Any service that requires your time and mental or physical effort is part of this concept. This is called active income. However, when we start earning some income from our work, we can aim for passive income, which means increasing our income through investments, businesses, or projects. Passive income is money you earn without needing continuous effort, without actively working. In other words, even if you don't work for a month, you'll still receive an amount. But don't be fooled, it's not that simple. All passive income can only be built after having worked at some point in your life. For example, if you work Monday to Friday, 8 hours a day, and receive a salary, you're generating active income because you worked all those days to get paid at the end of the month. Understanding that money is time is crucial. Every amount you earn reflects the time you spent earning it, whether through physical or mental effort. That's why it's important not to spend everything in the short term, but to focus on the long term. This involves avoiding instant gratification and using money wisely to ensure a financially stable future. In summary, Phase 1 is about starting to generate income streams, understanding the value of time, and using money wisely by avoiding impulsive spending and focusing on the long term. Phase 2. Maximizing earning potential and building an emergency fund. Look, once you understand this simple concept, a lot in your financial life starts to change. Phase 2 focuses on increasing your earning potential and building an emergency fund. The goal here is to shift your mindset from being a consumer to becoming a producer. What do I mean by producing? Well, it's using your money to invest in yourself. Specializing professionally, investing in a personal project that hasn't taken off yet, like starting a business, or investing in education to pass an exam or certification. And of course, investing to achieve financial independence. These are just a few examples, and you'll adapt them to your own life. But the key idea here is not to use money solely for spending, but as a resource that can help you grow both professionally and financially. This is the difference between having a producer mindset versus a consumer mindset. A consumer with $1,000 in hand already thinks about what they're going to spend it on, which clothes to buy, which places to go, and so on. A producer, with the same $1,000, thinks about how to use it in the best way possible to generate a return. So once you start earning an income and already have the mindset of not spending everything you make, you can begin setting aside a portion for your emergency fund. This fund is essential for ensuring financial peace of mind in times of crisis, helping you avoid taking out loans or going into debt to deal with unexpected expenses. It serves as a safety net for emergencies, but should only be used for genuinely necessary situations, not for unnecessary spending like shopping, for example. Once you start saving and not spending everything you earn, you're already on the path. In summary, Phase 2 is about maximizing your earnings through investments and education, managing your spending consciously, and starting to build an emergency fund to ensure financial security. Phase 3. Investing for retirement. In Phase 3, the focus is on securing your financial independence through retirement investments. When you no longer have debts, have multiple sources of income, and have built an emergency fund, you are in a position that few people reach. The goal now is to accumulate enough wealth to ensure that, even if you stop working, you can still live off your investments. The measure of wealth is net worth, which is the total amount of money you have, subtracting your debts. Financial independence occurs when you have investments that generate enough income to cover your living expenses without needing to actively work. It's important to remember that investing is very different from simply saving money. Investing makes your money work for you. With this invested money, we'll have returns that, over time, with compound interest working day after day, will make the money grow on top of the previous earnings, creating a snowball effect of investments. And of course, this only happens if you don't spend your earnings. So, every return you receive will be reinvested, forming the snowball. Therefore, the focus should be on learning how to invest and making that money grow. Investing in stocks, REITs, and other passive income-focused investments are options that help secure a retirement without relying on an active job. Additionally, tracking your wealth is essential. One way to do this is by recording and reviewing your progress every 90 days, comparing your current net worth with what you had previously. Consistently increasing your income streams and investing regularly is crucial to achieving financial freedom and a peaceful retirement. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.